Good morning. Go ahead and get started. Part of a threader that actually cuts the thread is the die uh, uh, pipe threading dies. So yeah, basically all of this. These are the die pieces. This is the actual part that does all of the cutting on the pipe. They are held in the die head, which is this. Uh, this for sure this, but this is a ratchet handle or a hand threader, which is how some places do it. Um, Other places will use something along these lines. I believe this is much more common around. Not this particular one. That looks like a really weird one. But it's called a porta pony. Usually we use a rigid brand. Not that one. Oh, that one actually looks pretty good. But normal one that I've seen most of the time. Uh, yeah, we use these to cut threads. All right. A blank or file is used to remove the rough edge on the inside of metal conduit. That is the reamer. Uh, Show you guys that. Okay. So yeah, these are reamers. Uh, these are some for EMT largely. They make them that fit on a drill. This is the reamer for much larger pipe. Or I think this one goes up to 2 inch, and obviously it'll go down to almost any size. I don't know that you would use it on half-inch GMT. Seems like a waste. But you need to ream all your conduits, whether you have a reamer or not. You need to work out a way to conduit because the sharp edges of the pipe will cut into your conductors. Largest size conduit that can be threaded with a hand-driven ratchet threader is 2 inch, which is that would be a job. Uh, but yes, you can thread up to 2 inch with the hand threader. Above that, like that, the hand threader or the porta pony uh, only goes up to 2 inch. Beyond that, you need to get what they call a hog head. Uh, that's a conduit threader. It's You can see it in your book. I don't know the actual uh, name of it. See if that pulls up. Yeah, this. They weigh 30 pounds. I never actually weighed one, but they weigh just a massive amount. And they can go up, I want to say to 4 inch, but maybe yeah, 2.5 to 4. You can get them at Staples, apparently. Think of that as an office supply. Die hard, die heads, diehards. Die heads are made to be disassembled because they are lighter to hand carry in smaller pieces. Uh, no, die heads are just this. This is a die head. They weigh 2 or 3 pounds. They're not made to be disassembled to make them lighter. They're made to be disassembled because these teeth inside of them are are not disposable, but they're expendable. Where do you consumable? The teeth go dull. You can use oil to lengthen the time that it takes to make it go dull, but they do go dull eventually, and you'll want to change them. They'll start tearing up your conduit and not doing the job that you want. Uh, the type of thread used on electrical conduit is the NPT, and has a taper of 3/4 inch per foot. So if you extended that line of the taper for a whole foot, it would be 3/4 of an inch from start to finish. Now, usually you'll only be threading about 3/4 of an inch, so you won't really see the taper as much. Should be blank should be applied during the threading process. This is cutting oil. Be applied during the cutting process, during the threading process. That keeps your dyes good for longer. And also, if you don't thread or don't oil it, uh, it will mess up. It'll booger up the threads sometimes. They'll get hot. If you're working with aluminum conduit, it'll gall up and get stuck, and then that's a whole problem you have to take to your journeyman. Uh, so yeah, use cutting oil. Use plenty of it. Uh, they make uh, they make a bucket that is, yeah, here it is. Uh, these are really cool. They have a little filter in the bottom, and you put it underneath. You fill it up with oil. You can just squirt oil onto your conduit, and it'll just drain off into the bucket and then get reused. So you're not like wasting a lot of oil. We need some of these at the school. That expensive. Go to get them. Because that's way better than we have a bottle squirt on the conduit, and then that oil goes in a bucket and it's used, and we have to throw it out. All right, that seems to be all of it. So, thank you guys for joining me. I will put up the new quiz in a few minutes. I think I have a couple people that haven't finished their quiz, so give them a little bit more time. But yeah, 9 o'clock, new quiz will go up. I will see you guys at a couple hours for the next live stream. Have a good day.